Set A is a subset of set B, denoted by this notation, if and only if every element of A is also an element of B. And this notation means that A is not a subset of B. My directions say, determine whether each statement is true. So, is this first set a subset of the second set? Or do we find all of these elements somewhere in this set? And the answer would be yes. So this is true. On question number 2, the first set is not a subset of the second set because the first set contains the number 33, which is not found in the second set. So this statement would be false. On question number 3, they are saying that the first set is not a subset of the second set. But that would be false because every number that we see in the first set also occurs in the second set. And lastly, number 4 is true because 7 is a member of the first set, but it's not a member of the second set. Therefore, the first set cannot be a subset of the second set. Therefore, this statement is true.